You are appearing for?
And for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. The
Thanks.
Yes, the petitioners were directed to serve copy upon us, but we have not been served copy.
I'm vacating the interim order.
What should we serve?
When did you serve?
Very day after getting the order, my lord, that has been served twice, my lord.
Where is the proof? She says she has not received. Who is Pallavi Singh? BK Sen? SBI BK Sen? No, BK Sen is not appearing in this matter. In this matter, Nandi is appearing.
Yes, lordship, for second day, my lord, Mr. Nandi has appeared. my lord.
Specific that copy be served upon Mr. KK Nandi.
Nandi, how can you serve it on somebody
Lordship,
else?
The matter was listed on 23/6.
Mr. Counsel,
Lordship,
let a copy of the petition be served upon, say, Nandi, learned counsel for the petitioner during the course of the day.
lordship.
Order dated 25/6. So we are vacating the order.
Lordship,
Can't help it. Why? You clear cut order you don't follow and you want the interim order to be continued.
for the time being, my lord, I'll just.
You serve the copy immediately.
Lordship.
We'll take it up after some time. And we'll clarify that there is no stay on the demarcation process.
I'll have it.
Yes,
Lordship, my lord, here for the enhancement of the amount, my lord.
go before the arbitrator.
Yes, my lord, that's I submitted application to the respondent, but that is not referred to the arbitrator.
No, you should 3G, you will have to go
Exactly, my
directly.
lord, that is my prayer. Similar order I have annexed here with my lord, at the last page, my lord.
Yes, why is it not being referred?
Lordship, that instruction, we don't have, lordship.
You have it, we'll have it after some time. You get your telephonic instruction. Madam Bora, he'll have to go before the arbitrator. Naturally, but why is it not being referred?
Not executive engineer, they have filed it before the executive engineer, not competent authority.
It should be, Kala would be the the deputy commissioner.
Yes. They have made the application before the executive engineer.
That I missed out. No, district commissioner Hailakandi, page 30. Right, Mr. Chaudhary, you have made it before it. What is this?
30 lordship. Second.
Prayer for enhancement compensation amount of acquired land for Bharat Mala Road at Kalinagar, Part 1, Hailakandi.
It is 32.
Page 30.
Here 32. Second. That we have not seen.
Here there is no 32.
Here 32.
You have given them some other copy. Jasmine. 30. What is 30?
30 is the notification here.
She has it.
That we have not done.
Nobody dares to give a wrong copy to Ms. Mohanto.
No idea. Yeah.
So you have your instructions.
Lordship.
Whether that this is there on record. If it is there, we'll pass up. And what is the date of this application?
10/2. 10/2/25.
When? Where do I get?
In 32 page number top it's written.
32 is something else in my.
30/12/2024.
Huh?
30/12/2024.
Here lordship is 10/2.
Okay, you file a fresh representation before the Kala.
Yes.
That means the deputy district commissioner. He'll refer it. We'll pass that on.
Lord.
Dispose of.
Yes, Your Lordship. My Lordship, kindly produce the last order, my Lordship, passed on 10/7/2025.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, have you got that on record?
Yes, I filed my affidavit today, my lord.
Hmm.
I have started a copy on them, my
That
lord.
notifications are next to that.
That notification was an exercise undertaken by the revenue and the forest authorities to identify the land as per this honorable court's order. Wherein, my lord, it is quite clear that the land that the petitioners are claiming falls within the Paikan Reserve.
Have you brought in the preliminary notifications also, or the final notification of that?
It's a final notification. It was notified in 1982, my lord, Paikan
82.
Reserve Forest.
And that includes these DAG
This
numbers.
DAG number. For that, my
My
lord, we
lord,
did a joint verification with the revenue authorities. my lord.
That is also on
That
record.
is also on record, my lord. And on 12th, on 13th, 12th and 13th, my lord, entire forest area has been, my lord, made free from encroachment, my lord. Everybody has already been evicted, my lord.
My Lordship.
DAG number 274,
Yes.
253, 261.
Yes.
All fall.
All
within
falls
that.
under forest area.
My Lordship,
So let them, if they want to file, my lord, they can file a rejoinder, my lord.
Yes.
kindly produce the last paragraph of the order, my Lordship.
Interim prayer will, if
My
any will.
lord.
Yes, you are
The
giving.
forest
Give me a
authorities.
copy.
Yes.
They have got on record affidavit saying that
Yes.
with the joint verification, your dogs have been found to fall within the forest.
My
area.
Lordship, joint verification, we have not been involved in the joint.
Be that as it
verification.
may,
We
primarily
are-
say we are satisfied, we will be
We are,
satisfied with
we
that.
are interested person, my Lordship. But now we are homeless. The honorable court, last paragraph may be seen, my Lordship.
This is already provided for that. You
My
will
lord,
be given.
nothing
Yes,
provided. my
Mr.
Lordship. We are
Yes, my
going
lord.
to
We have
file
already-
contempt for that.
Whoever wanted, we have provided, my lord. We kindly appreciate one more thing, my
We
lord.
cannot come to file even affidavit. So we are going to file contempt. The petitioners.
This
could
is
not
the
come.
inspection that I received on 19th. Along with a report, my lord. What
The
these.
bulldozed
well,
our
90
house, houses, my
Let
Lordship.
me submit. 95% encroachers, my lord, moved out before the date of
They have
eviction.
issued any specific notice to the petitioners, my Lordship. A general notice has been issued. I want.
These encroachers, my lord, pelted stone on 21 police officers.
How
my lord,
they
and
asserted
severely
I am
injured.
the
Mr.
encroachers, my Lordship.
So we are trying to resolve an issue.
Yes.
Of course. So there are two issues here.
My lord,
One, whether that land falls within a forest area. You have filed an affidavit
my lord.
saying that it falls.
False.
Okay, that is gone. This court, even appreciating that it falls, had passed a direction that alternative shelter, adequate food, accommodation are provided to the petitioner.
Yes.
What do you have? What have
In
you
my-
said in the affidavit?
In our affidavit, my lord, we have indicated that 95% encroachers, my lord, moved out before
My
the
Lord,
date
we
of.
are concerned about
That is a
us, my
difficulty, my
Lordship.
lord. I'm not being allowed to submit.
Just.
95% of encroachers, my lord, vacated the land, my lord, prior to the date of eviction. Only 5% remained, my lord. And they also went out, my lord, but they resorted in violence, my lord. In fact, they pelted stone.
Had anybody approached? you?
Nobody
Had
approached.
you approached them?
We have not approached, but they never wanted, my lord. They rather, my lord, pelted stone on the police officers, my lord. We had to resort to firing. Only 5%, 95% moved out, my lord. Nobody
2%
wanted any
died.
rehabilitation, my lord.
Okay, you file a reply to that.
My Lordship, our one contention, my Lordship.
And
is
we have
because
already evicted, my lord.
High Court is the last resort which we can come,
We
my
are
Lordship.
not throwing you out.
Yes, my
Have
Lord.
I non-suited you?
On 11th, my
Mr.
Lordship.
Counsel,
Yes, my Lord.
I can't have evidences here. I can only act
My
on the
lord.
affidavit. They have taken a stand in the
Stand.
affidavit. Unfortunately, that affidavit is also not here.
My Lordship.
So you bring up your stand. You
My,
counter that.
our only grievance is that, my Lord, we are now homeless, my Lordship.
Have you
By,
approached the authorities?
But-
we have
Where?
approached. They refuse to accept our certified copy. There is a video footage also which has been aired in news channel. We have read over the order in presence of police and in presence of all other persons. We petitioners has read the order before the authority. They, if after reading the order, these are all aired in the news channel also. We'll annex with pen drive all this evidence. Will annex with content, my Lordship. Our concern is that, my Lordship, now we are homeless. We are stating
Mr.
inside tent, my Lordship.
Mr. Goswami,
My lord.
if that be the stand, you take care before the next day.
My lord, will kindly appreciate one thing.
We are in
State-
tent, my Lordship. What
Where
seizure, my
making a
lordship?
statement will not suffice, my lord. He has to substantiate it, my lord. I have filed an affidavit.
Court has ordered, my lordship.
On the same day, my lord, moment the order was passed, my lord, I communicated to the Honorable Chief Minister, my lord. Chief Minister convened a press meet, my lord, wherein Honorable Chief Minister said that we are providing them shelter and food, whoever wants. If nobody comes, my lord, it is not our fault.
My lord,
And I have informed the
We-
DFO and the DC on the very moment, on that moment, my lord. It is my submission before the Honorable Court, my lord.
in this.
Mr.
what
Mr.
seizure, my
Use
lord?
the MLS, my lord.
Plain
Mr.
seizure.
Loskot, if you still require a protection of this order, approach the district
My
administration
lordship.
or the forest
This is
authority.
what seizure, my lord? Summer seizure.
I'm
Rainy
giving you
season,
that
my lord.
order today.
Yes,
You
my
approach the forest authorities
For
In-
shelter and food, my lord.
for shelter and food, and they are bound to do that.
My
Yes, my
I'm
lord.
providing.
That is, my lord. We'll file affidavit contempt case also, we'll file.
You
That-
file whatever you want to
Yes,
do,
my
but I am concerned with the people in the
Yes,
sun
my
there.
lordship.
Let them approach the forest authorities. Who?
My lord, on not only forest and revenue, because my lord,
Who? Forest who?
Court is
DFO and the
directed the
DC.
forest
Who?
authority.
Forest who?
DFO, Goalpara and DC Goalpara, because
And the
DC has
review order was passed by ranger. He does not have the jurisdiction.
The forest authorities, the order here is forest
true, my
authority.
lord, but we have to
You
take help
can
of
take,
DC.
I'll provide that you can take assistance from the, heard Mr. S.P. Laskar, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P.N. Goswami, Additional Advocate General appearing for the Forest Department. And Mr. J. Handick, Learned Counsel appearing for the Revenue and Disaster Management. You are a party.
I'll appear
Okay,
for
appears so. For all the respondents, P.N. Goswami, Learned Additional Advocate General appears for all the respondents. Also, Mr. Goswami has submitted that an affidavit has been filed on behalf of the Forest Department, highlighting the status of the land stated to have been occupied by the petitioners hearing. However, the said affidavit is not on record. The petitioner is granted liberty to file an rejoinder thereto within a period of 1 week from today. Also, Mr. S.B. Loskot, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that in spite of the directions passed by this court, vide the order dated 10/7/2025, directing the forest authorities to ensure alternative shelter, adequate food and accommodation to the petitioners. No such arrangement has been provided to the petitioners. Also, the said position is disputed by Mr. P.N. Goswami, Learned Additional Government Advocate General, by contending that no petitioners had approached the authorities for food, for shelter, alternative shelter and or adequate food. Full stop. Be that as it may, the petitioners are directed to approach the DFO, Goalpara, requesting for alternative shelter and accommodation in terms of the scheme of the government of Assam in this connection. Full stop. The DFO, Goalpara, on receipt of such application from the petitioners, shall, in collaboration with the District Commissioner, Goalpara, ensure that the petitioners are provided adequate alternative shelter, are provided alternative shelter and adequate food. Also, the status of making such provision to the petitioners by the respondents be placed on record on the next date of listing.
only one thing, petitioner may not be directed, they should be left at liberty. I know most of them will not.
My lord, already the court has directed them, my lord. So they are in
Directly,
contempt, my lord.
petitioners only.
Liberty, my
Yeah,
They are
Only
at
petitioners.
They are in contempt. We are not
193 petitioners, my lord. So let
Court has directed them.
they be at liberty, my lord. We'll definitely take a call.
Petitioners are directed petitioners are granted liberty.
My lord, deeply obliged.
Registered to list this matter again on when?
My lord, any short date because we are.
I'm giving only 1 week time to
Yes,
file a
my lord.
rejoinder. Let us have it on, sorry, take first tarik, sorry, file.
That is on 6th,
6/8.
deeply obliged.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Mr. Loskot,
Yes, my lord.
we are here for resolution of issues.
Yes, my lord.
So there is no
My
point in
concern is
getting,
that, my lord,
I can
they are
understand,
homeless, my lord.
I can understand the pain.
Homeless people in this
I am,
rainy season, my lord.
I'm not concerned with the eviction. I'm concerned with their status
Yes,
after the
yes.
eviction. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
So they should not be put in the sun.
Court
We'll
has
fight for it.
directed to,
But so don't get agitated. Try to assist.
at least, my lord, if they are.
Try
given
to
the-
assist. Try to assist.
Yes, my lord.
You have got your relief?
Yes, my lord.
Now be relieved.
Highly obliged, my lord. Right, my lord.
Who is appearing for the private respondent? Nobody.
No, private is not, no. That not issued any, my lord.
Any orders passed by the district council?
No, my lord, that petition till net, not any order passed.
No,
We have
no.
filed,
No, that matter has been taken up by the district council?
taken up, my lord.
Ah,
But after that, no order has been filed.
no, any order adjourning the matter or
No,
this?
that is. I
Have you
not
filed
yet-
any application before the,
Yes, my lord, we have
where are those?
on the 43 page number.
Huh?
Certified copy, we have applied for the certified copy, the 43 page number.
43. Who is representing the autonomous council?
Autonomous council
You.
by Mr. I.M. That I am on his behalf, your lordship, but district autonomous council court lordship, we are
That you
not
cannot.
representing. And if against the order of. district
Who is
auto-
respondent number 3?
She is respondent number the.
The newly married wife.
Newly married.
We are not issuing a notice to her at this stage.
That-
We'll issue a notice to respondent number 1 and 2.
And call for the record, my lord.
No record. Let them
Please,
come.
no.
Let
No,
we'll
my
hear
lord.
the respondent number 1 and then proceed with it.
That is this also, my lord, that if the record is not called for, then we cannot know about.
Record, if I call for the records also, I'll not find anything if nothing has been done.
No, whether there is a order has passed or not, your lordship will.
That we will get from the respondent number 1 and we are directing the autonomous council to get the status of that case for us. You get the status for us.
Yes, sir.
That much you can do. But Mr. B. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, also heard Miss
Added.
R. Deka, learned counsel
number 2.
appearing for Mr. R. M. Das, learned standing counsel, this autonomous, district autonomous council, Dima Hasa. Is it called district autonomous council? Dima?
District attorney.
Is it called
And
district?
she is autonomous council. we are
Not
representing.
Kachar, autonomous council. Full stop. Issue notice. Returnable, 4 weeks. Ms. Dust, Ms. Deka accepts notice on behalf of the petitioner number 2,
Yes, sir.
respond number 2. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 by way of registered post with AD. Steps be taken within 3 working days from today. Full stop. At this stage, this court refrains from issuing notice to the respondent number 3. Full stop. On the next date of listing, Ms. Deka shall apprise this court about the stage in which the proceedings are pending before the district council court.
The
Also-
autonomous council court.
District council court.
You must have wrong, my lord, please.
Registry to list this matter again on can you serve Dusty
Mr. Malloy,
21/8/2020? Let us see what
All right.
damage is already done, marriage is already done. So we'll have to-
But your Lord, my humble and respectful submission was that, my lord, that the district autonomous council not passed any order.
We'll see. We'll see.
I have taken my lord instruction. Lordship kindly have a look, it up to us.
You want, this matter is pertaining to an election.
Election.
This has to go before the election.
No,
Why?
there is a bar 127. I have given you lordship. It cannot go, my lord. Section 10 and 11 and procedure also I have put.
127.
I have marked yellow. Man. Except section 10. 10 deals with, my lord,
Direct election.
direct or indirect. Election of president 10 and 11 deals. DC is the competent authority to decide. But in the instant case, my lord, DC has remained silent over our objection. Since I brought to the knowledge of the honorable, before the deputy commissioner about the.
Give me a second.
Worship, can you have a look 10 and 11 also, ma'am? And rule 46, I have already quoted in my petition at para, page 10, page 13, para 10.
Okay. Where is your application to the deputy commissioner? Page 44?
Yes, I have an estimate.
Page 44.
Lordship, I'm coming with it.
Mr.
Page
Talda, you are
44.
appearing for?
My lord, I am appearing for the return candidate respondent A.
Annexure 7, my lord, I have got the docket number also. Page 44.
Okay. It will not be before the election commission, election
cannot.
tribunal.
Yes.
But it has to be decided by the
by the
deputy commissioner.
commissioner. What is my at this prayer, my lord? Since
But
they are
there
acting
is a resolution signed by you.
resolution, but that is also tampered. Lordship.
Okay, fine. Let it go before
Before
the
starting, my
deputy
lord.
commissioner, let the deputy commissioner take a call in the matter. In terms of section 11.
Till then, my lord, it has to be state, my lord.
There is no,
Nobody
we
has-
cannot,
can-
we'll not state, you go before the tribunal. We'll
Tribunal,
give
I
it,
can.
no, sorry, before the deputy commissioner, we
Deputy
will,
commissioner, I'll go, my lord, lordship fix a date. my lord.
we'll fix a
Within
time.
10 days or 7 days, my lord, till
That
then.
we will fix, we'll hear Mr. Talukdar and then fix,
And
but
this
those no
petition
interim prayer.
also be treated as a part of the
That
representation.
interim prayer is not called for. Yes,
My lord,
final orders are.
your lordship permits me with regard to, my lord, the non-maintainability before the election tribunal. I have, my lord, a reservation, my lord, on that count. I'll come to that later on. But firstly, your lordship will decide whether this writ petition is maintainable at all. Because, my lord, they are asking for an equity. Equity, my lord, is not one with
I'm
traffic.
not
Because,
entertaining,
my lord, gross
Mr.
suppression of,
Mr. Talukdar, I'm not entertaining the matter.
my lord,
Section 11 provides that if there is a dispute with regard to election of a
Yes.
president, then the deputy commissioner is to look into it. Whatever is there, let the deputy commissioner, both sides, hear both sides and then decide.
That is what my case now.
Because it may require a factual determination. It will require a factual determination. He may not have a case. He may have a case. So his allegations, you have brought on record a resolution wherein he has also signed. But here the question is the deduction of one vote. What did he do? He went inside that and I think there was a photo taken.
there was a, my lord,
Fine, my lord.
in fact, what has happened?
That is my, lord, how they have
Writ
override my lord.
petitioner undertook.
Proceeding itself says, lordship kindly have a look.
Just a
my lord.
moment, Mr. I've heard you. Let me
Lordship,
hear
for a
Mr.
moment, my lord, lordship will see page 41. For a moment,
Just give me a moment.
lordship.
Why was one of the votes rejected?
That your lordship will see page 43. It's a cross mark. This cannot be counted in favor of the private respondent. Ultimately, I am 5 and 1 vote cancel.
What should be given a tick mark is,
No.
Huh?
I have given the modality, my lord. I have
where is
an
that
ex-
modality?
Lordship, kindly have a look, my lord. At page, I have given a modality, my lord, that has been provided by the election commission, page 53. How it is invalid, cross line. Page 53.
Hmm.
Right hand side, first one. These are the modality provided by the election commission. Still over the line or touching line is a invalid. Same thing happens in assembly also. Parliament.
Now, these votings are done against election symbols or name only?
My lord, names only.
Name only.
Right.
So against that name, a mark is to be given in the
In
form.
her quota, particular quota, not over the line. If it is put over the line, that is the illegal. That
So
has
here
been-
what has happened?
Now, my lord,
She
before
has given a cross mark.
that is the reject vote was counted in favor of the my lord, the private respondent, the page 43. And my lord, I got the tail. Lordship, kindly have a look, my lord, page
So
41.
because of this vote being counted in favor of the
Yes.
private respondent, it became 5-5.
5. Why 5-5, my lord? There also, my lord, lordship, kindly have a look, page 41, my lord. Page 41. Lordship will see the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and 9 left.
Hmm.
They have, I got the tail, they have cut it.
41 is a resolution.
Resolution.
Huh.
Resolution, my lord, there also, they did it.
Where do you want me to
I will
read?
both way. They
Where
have
do-
cut it and they have marked it, my lord.
Where?
Lot people see the
Okay, heads.
live 7 head and overriding tail. I got the tail. Tail also came. Then when they came to know that I am the tail, then it has been cut. So accordingly, we have to leave 5 of us. And vice president was selected without any quorum.
So you had called initially tail,
Tail
but it was made head.
made head by override. And that is my pleaded, my lord, specific pleaded.
Where?
Lordship will see at para, my lord, I have given. Oh, no, it is-
You are,
Lordship will see para 11, if your lordship permitted, I'll just read out, my lord. It is respectfully submitted that the petitioner got a 5 votes and opposite party respondent number 8 got 4 votes. As per the rules, the vote was rejected, but the authorized officials counted the rejected vote annexion 6 ballot paper in favor of the respondent by violation of the Panchayat Act, so and so, my lord. Then thereafter, my lord, I have written about the resolution.
where is the resolution part?
Resolution part, my lord, I am reading, my lord. Para 9, page 9, my lord. Second paragraph. It starts from para 6, my lord, but operative part will read, my lord. I'll just read para 6, my lord.
This is too
That the
much.
petitioner begs to the other elected members of Unnayman Gaon
Okay.
Panchayat, they appeared in the meeting. Gaon
Okay,
Panchayat.
Mr. Barbia, take your seat. Yes, Mr. Paul.
Yes. My lord, my respectful submission is, if your lordship sees para 6, my lord.
Hmm.
Para 7, my lord. Oh,
Hmm.
sorry, my lord. Para 6.
Para 6 or 7?
6, my lord.
Hmm.
I take your lordships to page 9.
Hmm.
Now, what has been written here, my lord, I'm reading it out. Since the names of 2 ward members were proposed for the post of president, the authorized officer was decided to elect the president through direct election. Finally, the election process was conducted through secret ballot as per the Assam Panchayat Act, and Srimati Suljana Begum Tapada got a total 5 votes.
That
while
is the
Srimati
petition.
Ayesha Begum got 4
Respondent.
votes. But
Aisha Begum is you.
My lord,
Hmm.
me, my lord. But the authorized officer calculated the said reject vote in favor of Srimati Ayesha Begum. Now your lordship will kindly see, a statement has been made that she got 5, I got 4. Thereafter, your lordship will see, then the petitioner and other members objected for including the reject vote in favor of Ayesha Begum, but the authorized officer as well as unauthorized present other officials did not consider the objection and decided to go lottery as per rules, as both candidates got equal votes.
Now
if your
you will
lordship
rely
comes-
upon the resolution.
Now, if your lordship comes to, my lord, the additional affidavit which I have filed,
Hmm.
what says, my lord? Here, my lord, this part that she got 5, I got 4. This is not mentioned. Number 1. Number 2, my lord, having agreed in writing to go for the toss, my lord, she has waived her right to raise the rejection.
Was this thing under videographed?
Yes, my lord.
Everything is
Yes,
videographed.
yes, yes, my lord. And my lord, this is
Yes,
not
right.
reputed.
Let
He is
them, my
right.
lord, if they can show, my
Mr.
lord. Lordship.
Mr. Bhavia,
Lordship.
I understand, 5-4. That one reject vote was counted in favor of the respondent.
Yes.
But thereafter, the House took a resolution. Forget heads, forget tails. House took a resolution to proceed in the matter by way of lottery. You are a signatory to that.
My lord, if what
Then-
they do, my
Then
lord, I'll
what
just
will
clarify the
happen
point.
to?
What they do, my lord, before my lord hand the resolution prepares. We left it. 5 of us, we left, my lord, shouting.
Your signature is not
already
there.
been taken.
In page 61, your signature is not there.
Signature, my lord, before meeting they take, my lord, who is present.
My lord, where is
Cannot
stated in the
be.
Yes,
petition?
that is the case, my lord. That is not there, my lord. Lordship can record my submission.
Where is that statement in the writ petition?
Mr. Orvia, this is a separate resolution. They will not take 4-5 signatures.
No, my lord.
This
I
is a-
have mentioned, my lord. Lordship will see page 42.
Witnesses are
42, I
there.
have written, my lord, in the resolution itself.
That
your
is a
lordship will
separate
see English part,
resolution
my lord.
after the,
Lordship will see. Lordship will see in the resolution delegate. After election of president, page 37, English, my lord. After
you
election
can
of
come
the
to the
president.
ASPIS vernacular.
17 নম্বর উদমপুর গাঁও পঞ্চায়েতের সভানেত্রী নির্বাচনের পর
Where are you reading?
সদস্য পেজ 41 নিম্নলিখিত সদস্যগণ ত্যাগ করে চলে যান ত্যাগ করে চলে যান
Hmm.
5 members 1 2 3 4 5 if we left how they got the signature If it is
Are you
not taken.
disputing this signature at page
No, my signature is there
61?
my signature is there that I cannot dispute Lordship
They
will
have,
see
my lord, left the
let me
house
complete my lord
After
after
the,
the election of the president.
My
and
lord,
left
lordship
the house in
see,
respect of vice
17
president, not
নম্বর
president.
উদমপুর
This is
গাঁও
the misleading
পঞ্চায়েতের
statement.
সভানেত্রী নির্বাচনের পর নিম্নলিখিত সদস্যগণ সভা পক্ষ ত্যাগ
সভানেত্রী
করে চলে যান।
নির্বাচন দেশে
অবনতি হয়ে গেল, completed.
লিখিত সদস্য
Second part, my lord,
সভা
again, lordship will
ত্যাগ
see, why not they are reading
করে
second part.
চলে যান।
Point, my lord, the head and tail, my lord, lordship will see the tail overwriting,
After the president.
the president head right overwriting, my lord. The head voice উদয় পক্ষ করেন পরবর্তী
Okay.
দায়িত্ব
No stay.
Lordship has to stay, my lord, otherwise lordship it will amount to, my
No
lord.
stay.
Giving
This is
the, my lord.
disputed. It's all disputed. You go before the deputy
My
commissioner
lord,
in
I'll
terms
go
of
the
this
deputy
statute.
commissioner, that is, I agree of your lordship, my lord. Along
Mr.
with the copy of the writ petition, I'll approach before the.
You need
deputy-
not, writ petition is for me, not for the
No,
deputy
my lord,
commissioner.
a copy, my lord.
I'm not
because,
directing that. Writ petition you have filed for the consideration by a judge of this court.
My lord,
not
the
by the
time
deputy
limit,
commissioner.
my lord, time
You
limit
file
of-
additional representations. if
Yes,
you
yes, I'll file a fresh revision.
heard
and
Mr.
go to
J.I.
the-
Borbia, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. S.K. Talukdar, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 8. Who appears for the panchayat? Mr. S. Dr. learned counsel, learned standing counsel. Panchayat and Rural Development Department appears for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Itu agot likiba, S.K. Talukdar, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. S.K. Talukdar. Sorry, S. Doctor. S.K. Talukdar, respond number 8. And And Mr. J. Handy, learning counsel for the respondent number 3, mill ID. Also, as agreed to by the learning counsel for the parties, the present writ petition is taken up for final consideration and disposal. Also, the petitioner, by way of instituting the present proceeding, has essayed the election of the respondent number 8 as president of number 17, Umarpur Gaon Panchayat in the district of Sri Bhumi. Also, the contention of the petitioner is that while she had received 5 votes in the election for the post of president, the respondent number 8 had only secured 4 votes, and one of the votes casted in favor of the respondent number 8 was initially rejected. However, it is the contention of the petitioner that the said vote was thereafter counted in the favor of the respondent number 8, and accordingly, the votes garnered by her also was raised to 5. Also, thereafter, a resolution was adopted by the House for having the election of the president by way of a lottery bracketed toss of coin. Also, it is the contention of the petitioner hearing that although she had called heads, tails, comma, and the coin had also reflected tails, comma, the respondent authorized officer ignored the same and declared that the call declared the same call on toss of the coin had reflected heads. So, accordingly, he submits that the election of the respondent number 8 having been so carried out in a manner not known to law, comma, the same would require an interference from this court. Also, per contra, Mr. Talukda, learned counsel for the respondent number 8, by referring to a resolution dated 3/7/2025 adopted by the House during the process of election of the president, has submitted that the said resolution would go to reveal that the petitioner had not objected to the rejected vote being counted in favor of the respondent number 8. He submits that the petitioner, having not been successful in the toss of the coin so held, comma, she had left the house along with 4 other supporters. Also, accordingly, he submits that the present writ petition is not maintainable inasmuch as the basic demands of the petitioner that the rejected vote was counted in favor of the respondent number 8 is not borne out of the record of the case, and further, she had not raised any objection in this connection during the process of election. So, I have heard the learned counsel for the parties and also peruse the materials available on the record. The rival submissions of the petition of the parties to the proceeding brings on record disputed questions of fact, which cannot be decided by this court by way of considering the affidavits filed by the parties. Also, envisaging such a situation, the Assam Panchayat Act 1994, more particularly in section 11 thereof, had laid down the following stipulation. Section 11, Also, a perusal of the provisions of section 11 would go to reveal that any dispute relating to the validity of election of the president and the vice president of the town panchayat under this act shall be decided by the deputy commissioner, by the jurisdictional deputy commissioner. The petitioner herein has district commissioner of the jurisdictional district commissioner. Also, the petitioner has already approached the district commissioner, Sri Bhumi district, by way of filing a complaint dated 4/7/2025, raising a grievance with regard to the manner in which the respondent number 8 was so elected as president of the Gaon Panchayat concerned. However, it is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the same said complaint has not been given its due consideration. Mr. Talukdar has also not objected to the Accordingly, Mr. Bormia has submitted that that a direction be issued to the District Commissioner, Sri Bhumi District, to consider the representation submitted by the complaint question nagote. It will representation quick now. A representation submitted by the petitioner on 4/7/2025. Mr. S.K. Talukdar has also not disputed the set prayer made by the petitioner. Also, in view of the above consensus reached by the learned council for the parties, this court is of the view that this court directs the District Commissioner, Sri Bhumi District, to take on record the representation with 4/7/2025 filed by the petitioner
If
And-
necessary, we'll file a press.
and to schedule a date of hearing for consideration of the same. Also, on scheduling of such date of hearing, the notices thereof be issued to the petitioner, the respond number 8 and other stakeholders who would have other holders involved in the matter. Also, upon hearing the parties to the proceeding and also receiving evidences as may be required, as may be adduced by the parties, the District Commissioner shall pass final orders in the matter, deciding the grievance raised by the petitioner. Full stop. The parties are at liberty to bring on record further pleadings if so advised before the District Commissioner. Such pleadings be made before. Such pleadings be made within 10 days from the date of, from 10 days from today.
7 days now.
7 days from today by both parties.
Yes.
Full stop. The District Commissioner shall, upon receipt of the representation, along with a certified copy of this order, as well as the additional pleadings that may be brought on record, shall proceed to hear the matter in accordance with the directions passed herein above. With the above observed, full stop. Final orders in the matter be passed within a period of 30 days from the date.
20
The
days, my lord. because
30
they are
days,
enjoying.
30 days. District Commissioner has other work also. 30 days from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order, along with the further pleadings. Also,
Lord,
with
till
the
then,
above
my-
observations and direction, writ petition stands
Till
dismissed.
then, my lord, status quo
No.
as on today, my lord.
No.
As on today.
What will it is? Status quo, he is already there.
My lord, charge has not been given.
Mr. I am of the view, I don't know. Election matters, final orders have to be passed. There cannot be any interim orders.
No.
It will be final, you
No.
go or you stay.
My lord.
There cannot be a
In case
middle.
of my lord, I am dissatisfied, I may come to the honorable.
That is always open.
Always there.
Who is blocking you? This is 2 to 6.
My lord, can
My
it be 10 days, my lord?
Which one?
That.
Seven days, 7
They are
days.
enjoying benefit, my
Oh,
lord.
7 days.
Oblige.
7 days, my lord, what they will file?
Oblige.
The other case is, my lord, without quorum, we left the meeting midway and vice president was selected.
You go break your head there, then come back.
Second case. Next
Where?
item.
44.
I am appearing for
This is vice president.
Vice president. They are, my lord, without quorum, simple case.
Either
We
as
left
it may.
5 of us,
It type ko idea. My to
5 of us, my lord,
left.
left and vice president have been selected in violation of my lord.
What is the quorum?
Quorum is,
Quorum is page 38. Each
Quorum
and
is, my
everybody
lord.
presented.
237 is required.
Each and everybody was present.
I left my
And
lord.
after
My lord
leaving, my
says-
lord, they said there was no quorum.
Page.
Page 38, my lord.
I left
Each and
midway. How
everyone
come
has
they got
signed, my lord.
selected?
Page
My note
38.
said, my lord, from my notes it is revealed. We
Page
left, my
38.
lord.
Each and everyone has signed.
Sign to
And
the
this is the
before end,
quorum.
my lord. Signing is doesn't mean that we left. We
Now
declare
they are trying to
in-
take advantage of
thereafter
the law
not-
wrong.
kindly see page 35. Thereafter, the in charge officer called the name of the candidate to woman reserved.
Once you are present, quorum is achieved. my lord.
So similarly, we left, my lord.
Okay.
After election.
Any other plea here? Only that quorum.
Without quorum.
No.
We left it.
Voluntarily there.
After left, they are selected, my lord. It is resolution says. Thereafter, in charge covered the vice president so and so to resolve, calling the so number 3, page 36, last paragraph. In charge officer called the name of vice president Udhampur resorting to call Srimati Jajna Pal, number so and so. Udhampur posted the name of Abdul Rahman and 2. The present member supported them, only 5.
Vice president is the serial number
Serial number is, my lord,
8.
serial number of the minutes, my lord. 3.
Okay,
See,
let her type out this. I'll make the necessary corrections.
Lordship.
Both. Deputy
Yes, yes,
Commissioner.
yes. Lordship will give the my notes, my lord. Only one thing, Lordship left out, my lord, my submission. There was a overwriting in the minutes.
That you
That
go,
what
I'm not going into the merits. You go
No,
take
my
up
lord,
whatever
only
you,
one line, my lord.
I'll not try to bias anybody.
Lordship,
Deeply obliged.
Lordship. I'm happy of that. So my book, my lord, I'll take tomorrow, my lord.
No, you can,
No, Lordship has
okay,
typed
I'll
out
give it
one
to her.
page.
She can, your junior can, Mr.
Yes,
can-
yes, some other
Deputy
day
Op
also
can
we
take
can
it.
take.
He can take it from her.
Lordship.
Madam, here also there is precedent, madam. And
Hmm.
here, my lord, precedent, my lord, I just want my submission, my lord. This type of, my lord, case will become first time because after the amendment, my lord, now the president, earlier president was elected directly by the public. That was the earlier law, my lord. In 2024 amendment, my lord, now president and vice president will be selected by the elected members. So earlier, my lord, that is why, my lord, any election of the president is concerned, my lord, go to the tribunal. Because it has to be,
No, tribunal may not be,
the tribunal has to be constituted under this act.
no, 11 says,
No, that will now, my lord, this.
early,
Earlier, my lord, is only
Uh-huh,
vice president.
because it was direct selection.
Yes, direct selection, then you have to challenge, my lord, in malpractice, any
Ah,
ragging and all, my lord, you can go to the election tribunal. Here, this is actually, this is a selection, not election.
It's a
It's
selection.
a selection by the 10 members.
Ah.
10 members, my lord. So that's why, my lord, your lordship kindly see that president word is now inserted. So earlier, only vice president.
Vice president was there.
There. So earlier, there all my lord vice president is there. Here, what happened?
Now it's clear.
Regarding
Thank
my
you.
lord toss, my lord, earlier, my lord, argument was made. In toss, my lord, before toss, my lord, you have to assign, you take head, you take tail. So that after that they have assigned, it cannot be sent in the midway. In that aspect, my lord, there is a very good judgment of honor justice, my lord, incident to suit him, my lord. It has to be fall on the land, not you can take in the air. So that is the law, my lord.
Just
That's
like
why-
a cricket.
Yes, it has to be tossed in the, it will fall on the land, my lord.
What is your case here?
My case is there, my lord. Here, my lord, there are 5 votes get by me and 5 votes get by others. But after that, when
This
when
is
there is-
president,
Yes, president. It should have to be equal, my lord. There has to be go for, my lord.
but
Toss.
they did not go, they
They
rejected
could
one.
not, they reject one vote. Why? That I have keep, yes, that is, I have explained, my lord. I made, my lord. Because he has, my lord, he just, my lord, flashed the light to, my lord, a certain name.
Their thing is that he has taken a photograph of that.
No, my lord, I have not taken photograph, but they are plea.
No,
Yes.
their case,
My lord,
the authorized officer's case.
my lord.
She saw a flash in the
Yes,
ballot where it is
but
being
by using
casted.
the flash, my lord, I ascertain. Now, my lord,
And
yes,
your
head of
case
police
is,
there.
your case is
Yes,
that maybe your eyes are a bit weak,
My
so
lord,
you wanted
that
some
I've
light
stated.
there. So
That
you put the torch on.
my lord.
But Mr. Chaudhary, Mr. Monto, putting the torch of the mobile on will be there for a long time. But here what is seen by the authorized officer,
My lord.
admittedly, is a flash. That can occasion only when a photo is taken.
No, my lord, why I am submitting, my lord, your lordship kindly, when a ballot can be rejected, there are 5 grounds. There is no such ground, my lord.
That's
Your
true.
lordship kindly see.
That's true. That is a ground.
If in that 5 ground is there, my lord, then if I fall on that 5 ground, then only you can, my lord, cancel my vote.
Where is that 5 grounds you have?
I have mentioned in the, also, my lord, your lordship will find, my lord, in section 46(7).
46,
Rule 46(7), sorry, rule 46(7).
Constitution rules.
Yes, my lord. Constitutional rule, my lord.
46.
7. Is it, my lord, 4th edition? If it is 4th edition, my lord,
I've seen it.
immediately after the voting, the official authorized under sub-rule 1 shall open the ballot box, take out the ballot paper from the out, and then ballot paper shall be invalid if these are the count, my your lordship can see.
Okay.
So that is
So
my
this is not a ground.
my lord. There is not the ground. So now, my lord, your
So
lordship.
this
kindly-
is statutorily prescribed. You
Prescribed.
can't go beyond. that.
My lord. Then page 35, your lordship, kindly. See.
Hmm.
Page 35. Although that is wrong, my lord, that is 14.6, it cannot be 14.6. They have prescribed them, my lord, that is 14.7. It should be 14.7, my lord. So, video write a letter to the DC. So, my lord, that stage it is pending, my lord. So that is my case.
But now there is a statutory prescription that
My
you
lord,
have-
see, my lord, that
You
I
will have
cannot
to go
escape it, my lord. Yes.
you have to go before the.
Yes, yes,
deputy
that's
commissioner.
now your
I'll
lordship, my
record
lord.
it, you approach, he'll hear both the parties and then pass an order.
My lord. But till then, my lord, if your lordship status quo, because I have a
status-
case, my lord.
No.
Your lordship kindly state.
Anything, Mr. Monto, election matters will not come.
No, that's true, my lord. but
You establish this aspect before the, you
Definitely.
have a very good case.
My lord.
Now that the exceptions given, well, no, the grounds
Yes, but
given,
it is not follow that.
it is not followed. And further, if you read that page 35, there is no final conclusion. It's
Yes,
a
my lord.
presumption.
They say, and even my lord, after.
If you read that last line,
No, actually, my lord, that is the duty of the, my lord, presiding officer, the election officer. He has has to cancel it, my lord. After county, he cannot.
no, the issue is he presumed that you might have taken up.
But there is a photo.
But he has not seized your mobile
Yes.
to
my lord,
verify
immediately it can-
whether the photo is there on.
My lord.
This
But
is the
that's-
issue. That you can take it up there within 1 minute. It'll go.
My lord.
Heard Mr. T.J. Monto, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Eh? H.A. Ahmed, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petition. Also heard Mr. N. Goswami, Learned. You are for the Deputy Commissioner, Mr. S. Doctor, Learned. Standing Counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, appearing for the respondent number 1, 4, 1 and 4.
I for 2 and 3.
Huh?
I for 2 and 3.
Also heard Mr. N. Goswami, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 2 and 3. Mr. Dubey, R. Dubey, Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Counsel, State Election Commission appears for the respondent number 5 and 6. 5 and 6. First up, in view of the nature of the order that is proposed to being passed today, notice upon the respondent number 7 is not deemed necessary. First up, the petitioner, by way of instituting the present proceeding, has essayed the election of the respondent number 7 as
president.
the president of
91 number. Angamandia,
91 number Agmandia
Jadavpur,
Jadavpur Gaon Panchayat. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that that there being 2 candidates proposed for the names of 2 candidates being proposed for the post of president. That is the petitioner and the respondent number 7,
Petitioner
the
number 1.
respondent number
Petitioner number 1 and.
petitioner number 1 and
Respondent
the what is petitioner number 2 doing here?
His vote is my lord cancel.
Okay, petition number 1 and the respondent number 7, the House resolved to have a have an election in the matter. So, on conclusion of the election process, it was found that both the petition number 1 and the respondent number 7 had secured 5 votes each. 5 votes each. However, after the counting of the said votes, the authorized officer had rejected the vote cast by the petition number 2 in favor of the petition number 1 by presuming that he had clicked the picture of the ballot paper while casting his vote in the matter, and accordingly, the secrecy required to be maintained in an election process was vitiated. Full stop. Mr. Monto has submitted that the provisions that rule Sub-rule 7 of Rule 46 of the Assam Panchayat Constitution over Rules 1995 provides the ground under which a ballot paper can be held to be invalid. And he submits that the ground assigned for holding the ballot cast by the petition number 2 to be invalid is not a ground so assigned under the provisions of sub-rule 7 of Rule 46 of the said rules of 1995, and accordingly, the cancellation of the vote of the respondent number of the petition number 2 would mandate an interference from this court. Full stop. Mr. N. Goswami, learned, Mr. S. Doctor and Mr. N. Goswami, learned counsels appearing for the respondents, appearing for the the learned counsel for the respondents, on the other hand, submit that the dispute raised in the present proceeding being one pertaining to the election of the president of the Gaon Panchayat concerned, comma, the
Rule 11.
Assam Panchayat Act 1994 under the provisions of section 11 thereof mandates that any such dispute is required to be decided by the jurisdictional deputy commissioner. Full stop. In view of the statutory prescription made in this connection, comma,
District Commissioner.
district commissioner, the deputy commissioner, district commissioner. In view of the said statutory prescription made in the matter, made for resolving a dispute pertaining to the election of the petitioner in the provisions of the Act of 1994, comma, this court, without entering into the merits of the submissions made by the petitioner herein, requires the petitioner to, you have already approached,
No, I have not approached.
to approach
Already Video has written a letter.
to approach the jurisdictional deputy commissioner by way of submitting a representation assailing the the election of the respondent number 8 as the president of the Gaon Panchayat ka naam upar mein diya na?
Yes, 91.
91 number, or as the president of 91 number
Agamandia.
Agmandia Jadavpur Gaon Panchayat within a period of 7 days
My lord.
from, within a period of 10 days from today. Also, on receipt of such representation from the petitioner, the jurisdictional deputy commissioner shall schedule a hearing, date of hearing of the matter, and issue notices to the to the respondent number 7 and other stakeholders involved in the matter. Full stop. Thereafter, the deputy commissioner, upon hearing the parties to the proceeding and also on receiving evidences as may be adduced by the parties, shall pass orders with regard to the grievance raised by the petitioner in the representation now required to be filed by him. The petitioner shall file the said representation before the jurisdictional deputy commissioner along with a certified copy of this order. The jurisdictional deputy commissioner shall thereafter dispose of the said representation in the manner indicated herein above within a period of 30 days thereafter. With the above observations and directions, the present petition stands disposed of.
All the question, my lord, not deputy commission, district.
Submit a district.
My
commissioner.
lord.
That she knows, she knows.
Leave level.
May please say Lordships. Lordship, in this matter, I was declared as the returned candidate from Girwa.
There is a stay.
There is a stay, Lordship.
Sit down. Yes,
Until disposal of the election.
you stay down, sit down. You have made your point, now sit down. Yes, show me the power to pass an interim direction. 243K and here, where is that power?
Lordship, as per notification, Lordship, tribunal exercises the power of its,
Show me that notification. Where is that notification?
so that two notification, Lordship. Two notification.
Dr. Agarwal, where is the concerned provision that the constitution is at 127 only?
127 and 129 simply bars any other court from exercising jurisdiction with regard to elections under the Assam Panchayat Act 1994. But there are no such powers of stay, Lordship. There's no specific provision with regard to that. There is a bar to interference by courts in election matters.
Yes, where is the notification?
To place it, Lordship, sometime I will give that, Lordship. 2000 notification issued by the government of Assam, Lordship, laying down the power and functions, Lordship.
Where?
After something, right?
After
That's right.
Okay, we'll have it after some.
After something.
After some. Okay. Now,
Lordship,
243 says the legislature is to lay down
lay down the mechanism. Lordship.
matter. Legislature in its wisdom has not come in. Order that interim direction injunction power
Lordship.
has not been conferred.
Specifically,
Not specifically. If it is not specific, it is not there. So the only consequence of an election petition is that a final order will be passed. Either interfering with this election
Lordship.
or upholding the election. There cannot be anything in between.
I agree, Lordship.
You cannot be permitted to interfere with the election process. That's a democratic process. You cannot be. If I am wrong, show me the material. We'll hear it tomorrow.
Lordship,
Day after.
tomorrow, if it could be as the first item, Lordship, I have to leave for Itanagar tomorrow.
When are you coming back? Wednesday?
Day after tomorrow. Lordship.
Wednesday?
Lordship, oath taking ceremony is likely to be held on 24th.
24th.
Come back on Wednesday.
Tomorrow, first item.
Deep to-
Or today it may not be possible. Tomorrow, first item. Hmm? Ms. Agarwal, serve enough copies to all.
Lordship,
On the prayer of the Learned Council for the parties, raised it to list this matter again on Kali 22, 7/2025 as the first item. As for motion, hearing as the first item. For motion as the first item. It by slip Kali first item. Tomorrow we are taking it up as the first item. You get me all the notifications. And
Lordship,
if it is
I have some difficulties.
supplementing, fine. If it supplants, we can't. That much on, you are the commission, you tell us. Notification provides for passing of interim directions.
One interpretation, if the jurisdiction pass final order, it can also pass an.
No. That here, it's a statute, it's not a commission, tribunal, it's not a court under the normal.
But there are
process.
cases where such order has been passed, your lordship has interpreted that order. And
Then you will have to apprise me with that.
the lordship has to probably lay down the law on this.
I'm not
aspect.
laying down any law. I only want a clarification whether without a power being conferred, because constitution does not say anything. It says legislature. Now, legislature in its wisdom says that, okay, final orders you pass. It leaves. It does not provide for them. And when constitution says legislature, the executive, whether it can come up and issue an office memorandum.
I'll address you. lordship.
Madam, you got to address all these issues tomorrow. You go through it tomorrow.
with your pleasure.
Or we can do one thing. 24th is the date. 24th, Thursday. Okay, we'll have to pass an order before that. Tomorrow. Iman?
May I please? Supposed to obtain instruction also. Lordship, I have received a report from the circle officer. Lordship, I think I should bring it on record.
Because whether that land is
It's a
common land.
Government. What filing is there?
Okay, today we can't do anything. He'll file an affidavit. But if it is a government land, how can you continue to
If
operate?
it is government land, Lordship, I'm ready to take it.
You should know.
Because this is not the government land. Lordship.
You should know. Show me your patta.
Actually, I have taken the land on rent, Lordship, and I have constructed the coke unit.
So, where your name of your
Yes, Lordship. I
the
have
vendor
taken-
is whether
He's a pattada, Lordship.
he is a pattada.
Pattada, yes,
He has a patta.
yes, Lordship.
Where have you said so?
At page 12, Lordship, vernacular, column number 128.
Riju Gugoi.
Earlier, it was a NLR land, Lordship. Land acquired under the new land rules, Lordship. Allotted land.
It's an allotted.
Allotted.
When was it allotted?
I have the mutation order, Lordship. Kind Lordship, may kindly
13.
peruse page 10, Lordship. As per mutation case number 53/2004.
No, where is that circle officer's remark pertaining to your land? This part?
At page 13, Lordship.
Read.
চক্ৰ
চক্ৰ
বিষয়াৰ 2004
2004
5 চনৰ ইমান নং গোচৰ মতে 2 নং এনালেৰ পট্টাৰ ইমান নং ডাগৰ 3 বিঘা
বিঘা
মাটি
মাটি।
অন্যান্য পট্টাৰ লগত শ্ৰী বিজু গগৈৰ নামে নামজাৰি হৈ পট্টাত নাম চামিল কৰা।
Mr. Although there is a, whether this is the same land wherein the,
I may not be, because,
because when you file an affidavit, you will
Right.
have to clarify on this.
Right.
Where is your corresponding statement to this?
Lordship, I see the report, my lord.
No, it's okay. You bring it on record, he'll have to see. But just want to be very sure that when you file your affidavit, you also take into account this mutation order.
At page 4, Lordship, paragraph 6. That the petitioner states that once Sri Viju Gogoi is the recorded pattadar of a plot of land measuring so and so at Kiok number 2 NLL, Tinsukia bearing dark number so and so, and accordingly his name has been recorded in the revenue record and he has been paying the land revenue regularly. That the petitioner, in order to construct a new coal unit, had taken a portion of land on lease bearing 2 bighas out of 3 bighas of land from Viju Gogoi for a period of 25 years, deed of lease dated so and so, which was duly executed before notary Margarita subdivision. A copy of the lease agreement dated so and so is filed here to as
Okay.
extra.
Your D. Kolita. Mr. D. Kolita, heard Mr. D. Kolita, learned counsel for defecation. Also heard Mr. B.J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. A. Chetri, learned counsel, appearing for the respond number 2 and 3. 2, 3 and 4.
2, 3, and 4.
And Miss G. Hazurika, learned standing counsel, revenue and disaster department, representing the respond number 1. Usko ulta kar dena. So, Mr. Chetri, learned counsel, appearing, assisting Mr. Talukdar, submits that the instructions have been duly received from the respondents number 2, 3 and 4, and an affidavit in this connection would be filed within, on or before
2 weeks or 3 weeks.
2 weeks, I only want a date when you will file it. Mr. Chetri, when you will file it? Mr. Talukdar cannot be troubled with this.
Next to 28 or 29.
28 or 29. I'm giving you time till 31. Till 31, on or before 31/7/2024. Petitioner is at liberty to bring on record a rejoinder thereto on or before 8/8/2024. Registry to list this matter again on 13/8/2024
order pass away.
for admission hearing. Full stop. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of this. Just deal with that mutation, page 13.
Public.
Affidavit filed on today.
Has been served on it.
We have served, file a reply. When, how many?
Not
1 week? 2 weeks, 2 weeks. But Mr. This is item number 11.
11.
Oh, that elevation land. 2 grounds. Now you have taken, earlier it was a grazing ground. That was the ground taken.
Lordship,
Now you say it's a water body 25 meters. That's the,
Lordship.
what is there in the affidavit?
Affidavit, they've said that it's Jolato. Actually,
Jolato.
what had happened, there are 2 dams, 608 and 182. Both were reserved for the society.
Oh,
Now, 608, they came up with the contention that it's VGR land.
ah.
So therefore, the court queried whether we can be accommodated in 180. 182, now they've said that it's Jolato. It's a water.
But then why did you make an allotment? In the first, there was no allotment. It was only a recommendation by the LAC.
It was reserved for the society.
No, it was a recommendation by the LAC.
Insofar
land
as
advisory.
182. Yes, yes.
But they have not taken the matter thereafter.
Thereafter.
No.
So we pursuant to the order dated 10.
So
10
VGR is with regard to 602
602.
and the land Jolatok is with
To
regard to
180.
180. I'm trying to pick up this matter, that's why. Okay. Heard Mr. B.D. Deka, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. J. Handick, learned standing counsel,
No, well, I am for the
learned government advocate appearing for the state respondents. Also, Mr. Handick has submitted that an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him has been filed today, and a copy thereof has already been served upon the rest petitioner. For learned counsel for the petition. Mr. P.D. Deka submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to bring on record the rejoinder thereto on to file a rejoinder on behalf of the petitioner against the affidavit filed by the respondents. Also, prayer accepted. The registry to list this matter immediately after 2 weeks from today. Who is appearing for the, no,
Perhaps, Lordship may not like to take up this matter.
huh? I may not like.
Yes, Lordship, P. Bhattacharya is
Oh,
appearing for private.
list this matter before any other bench without me. Sorry.
Obliged.
She is appearing for whom?
Private.
Private. Name is not shown.
No, Lordship.
Item number 14.
30.
Oh, I missed it. Sorry. 14 to adjournal, na? Yes, where are the records?
My lord. Records in origins have not been assembled, however, scanned copy have been released.
So whether notices were issued to the mother? That's
For
your
that-
case, Mr.
Mother passed away in 2016, Your Lordship, even if it was issued. The
No,
service. has
that
to-
was there in your name, that was then cancelled.
Yes.
So this court, while the last order had required the authorities to show whether before the cancellation there was any notice.
Notice.
That much only you have to show.
It appears from the scanned copy records. Not only there was an miss case, there was an appeal also.
Appeal
Against
by
the
whom?
miss case, the order in the miss case. But there is provision for statutory appeal.
No, fine, but whether you have cancelled this after giving her a notice, because she was a recorded partner, right?
Okay.
My lord.
You file an affidavit, that will be better.
Yeah, one affidavit has already been
No,
filed.
no, on this point,
Further-
whether notices have been issued.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. B.J. Mukherjee, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. S.R. Rabha, learned standing counsel, PTC, appearing for the respondent number 1, 2, and 5. Okay. Full stop. Mr. Rabha submits that he shall file an affidavit within a period of 2 weeks from today, clarifying as to whether a notice was issued to the mother of the petitioner before the cancellation of her name, before deletion of her name from the land records was so passed. Full stop. He further submits that along with the said affidavit, he shall enclose the relevant petitions / orders passed by the authorities concerned. Full stop. The above prayer made by Mr. Rabha is prayer accepted. The Mr. Rabha shall file the said affidavit within a period of 2 weeks from today. Full stop. With a copy to the learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks for admission hearing. You bring these things on record in the affidavit so that he can, even if it is a scan copy, if it is in affidavit, we can take it on record. He can also respond,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Obliged.
You can take this back.
May I please, Lordship? In this case, respondent number 7 has filed an affidavit on 16/6.
So one case charge sheeted,
Yes, it is different.
and the other case, it is within they have sent your signature to the FSL.
Yes.
That is
my case,
awaited.
My case. That is, awaited.
Now, once a charge sheet is filed,
Now, in
let
the,
let the trial court proceed with the matter with regard to the first case.
no, this is only one case, Lordship.
They say
I
they have
have-
filed a charge sheet.
No, they have filed. No, they have not filed charge sheet in this.
I found somewhere. Come to page 64, internal page 4 of the affidavit.
Page 60.
4, running page 64 or internal page 4 of the affidavit filed by respondent number 7 on 16/6.
I have up to page 62.
64. You take internal page 4.
Vote.
Silchar PS case number 1317
179 of 2006.
and 960/2022. There are two cases, right?
Two cases. Two cases.
Ah.
One case is filed by the, filed by the bank.
Be that as it may, in one case, they have already filed a charge sheet.
Yes,
Your case is 960.
960.
That they have
Yes. They
carried
have,
out the investigation.
they have again sent for this,
Actually, that may be a
for
requirement.
English, yes, Bengali. And my instruction is that, Lordship, that is also come, and it is not my signature.
It has come.
Yes. My
Report has
instruction,
come.
yes,
When?
in between, Lordship, after filing of this, Lordship.
Madam, you have no role now.
I have no role. For
Yes.
3 and 5.
Yes, madam. That instruction I have to take, my lord, whether that report has come.
Report has come. Also, in terms of the directions passed by this court in the present proceeding, the superintendent of police, Kachar, Silchar, that is the respondent number 7, has filed an affidavit on 16/6/2025, highlighting the status of investigation of the cases involved. Insofar as the status of investigation in connection with Silchar PS case number 1317/2019 is concerned, it was brought on record that charge sheet therein being charge sheet number 179 dated 27/3/2025 was already filed before the concerned court. Also, in so far as Silchar PS case number 960 of 2022 is concerned, instituted by the petitioner herein, it is highlighted that a report from the forensic science, report of the forensic science laboratory pertaining to the signatures of the complainant, of the petitioner herein, has not been received. Also, it is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that in the meanwhile, the said report has been so received. Also, the learned government advocate appearing for the state respondents, Mr. M. Chetia, learned government advocate appearing for the state respondent, submits that he be granted 10 days time, 2 weeks time to receive his instructions in the above, in the matter. And first of all, Mr. Chetia shall receive the instructions as to whether the FSL report has been received by the investigating agency and apprise this court as to the time limit that would now be required for filing the charge sheet and for conclusion of investigation in the matter. Also, register to list this matter immediately after completion of 2 weeks from today. Thank you. Yes, Mr.
Lordship, Lordship, a week's time may be given your Lordship to arrive at a decision as to why he was made an academic in charge here.
Academic. Why?
Lordship, he was, my verbal instruction is that he was made an academic in charge because there was pressure from the public, because
Forget
allegations.
public pressure. You
Lordship.
post him somewhere
Lordship,
else, no problem. But don't give him an ad hoc posting. You
Lordship,
bring him, post him as OSD in your office. I have no objection.
Lordship, initially he was
But his pay
attached.
has to be, his pay is being given as a headmaster.
Yes, your Lordship. Initially, he was attached to the Office of the Inspector of Schools. That order was okay, your Lordship, but
That was state.
yes, not stayed.
By
your
this court.
Lordship. Not stayed, your Lordship. Later on, it was again, changed, your Lordship. So that's why it was done, your Lordship.
What is the progress in the criminal proceedings?
It is, I think it is in the trial stage.
Evidences are being adduced.
No, I do not think so.
Because your allegation against you is very serious.
Lordship, our apprehension is that, Lordship, he'll be transferred to some other school. There also, Lordship.
Same thing, with
Conduct may not be that good, your Lordship.
Mr. D. Musahari, Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department on instructions has submitted that although the petitioner as an interim arrangement has been, was allowed to function as the academic in charge of Sonapur High School, bracketed A, comma, his salaries in the scale of the post of headmaster is being continuously released to him. First off, Ms. Musahari submits that in view of the allegations existing against the petitioner, the respondents have deemed it fit not to post the petitioner against the post of headmaster in any provincial high school in the state till conclusion of the criminal proceedings presently pending against him. First off, Ms. Musahari shall bring the said stand of the respondents on record by way of filing an affidavit.
Lordship.
The said affidavit be filed within 3 weeks from today. Also, this prior matter, 3 weeks from today, this matter shall not be considered as a tied up matter with this court any further. So I'm not taking that bench.
Lordship.
You file an affidavit, bring that on record. You continue. We find it difficult.
Obliged, your Lordship.
You are for?
I'm for the BSNL. Actually, what had happened is that earlier the standing council was, CCSC was appearing on behalf of BSNL, which is not authorized. This last occasion I appeared.
You have got the pleadings of this case?
Yes, I've got it.
Have
And I
you
found
seen
that,
the electricity inspector's report?
yes, so I have perused it. So what I have advised, in fact, this report needs to be challenged because the ground.
Report challenge, you challenge whatever you do,
Yes,
you
but
do.
I,
But this citizen is before us with an injury,
yes,
serious injury,
yes, Lordship.
which
Now,
may be contributory, but you are liable.
yes, Lordship.
How much will you
If
pay
I'm
as an
liable,
interim measure?
if I'm Lordship,
How much will you pay as an interim measure?
Lordship, if I have to, supposedly if today, if our fault was not there, the APDCL would have given as per the rules. which
Forget the
is-
rules. That is for APDCL.
Yes,
That cannot be applied for you.
no, Lordship, that
You are BSNL.
we have even poorer. We do not have anything. Now, I have asked them whether is there anything regarding whether compensation in this case, if they are there. So they have not given me any specific instruction. If
Have you
Lordship,
specific, we'll have it on Thursday.
Lordship, I just beg 1 week. This week I'm traveling. Next week, Lordship, I'll give a specific instruction as to how
Mr.
much.
R. does Learned Standing Council BSN submits that he be granted a week's time to complete his instructions in the matter. Also, in full council, registry accordingly, registry to this matter again on, I'm giving a 2 weeks period,
Lordship,
2 weeks. Registry to list this matter again on 6/8/2025. Fine.
deeply obliged.
What, did I hear something? Timing was in mind.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for a time being.
I mean, I can know 19, I want to do my case.
Huh?
I think she's making mention for item number 20, because
Why is it? It's connected. We can't make a senior counsel sit here at your convenience. You get your counsel. Who is the arguing counsel here?
MU Mahmood.
Huh?
MU Mahmood.
Where is he? You are for Mr. Chaudhary, you are for?
I'm for the petitioner in item number 19. my lord.
And respondent in item number.
Number 19 is matter of 2020. And item 20 has been, my lord, filed only in 2023 and tagged with us.
Okay, yeah. We'll hear you. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary. Let us see what it is.
My lord, the petitioners, they are 58 in number. They are, my lord, river eroded people and therefore landless. That, my lord, river erosion has taken place sometime in, my lord, 1967. And thereafter, my lord, they occupy, my lord, village grazing reserve. It's called, my lord, Ghugubari Village Grazing Reserve in 1996, 97.
You were river eroded people of
67, man.
occupied the grazing land when?
In 67 itself, man. And
Where is the certificate from the competent
my lord,
authority
in
with
fact,
regard
my lord,
to?
No, my lord, I'll come to that. Before that, your lordship may kindly come to page 20, my lord. That is a communication from the government to the deputy commissioner by which, my lord, 240 acres of the grazing reserve land, my lord, has been de-reserved. My lord, sanctioned the reservation for rehabilitating these 59 families. Your lordship may kindly come.
So,
come to my-
Mr. Chaudhary, where is that certificate with regard to the fact that you were all river eroded people and that this will connect to you?
My lord, I am coming to that, my lord. In fact, my lord, the Mojadar has prepared a list of persons who are the allottees. I have annexed that list at page 26. And my lord, this is also the fact that, my lord, we are the river eroded, my lord, the landless people, that has not been, my lord, disputed. In fact, as recently as in 2014, my lord, when the representation was considered, and the, my lord, government wrote to the deputy commissioner and to take to act as per rules, my lord.
Where is that?
That your lordship finds at page 22. Allotment of land in favor of 59 number of landless river eroded person from the government, my lord, to the deputy commissioner. I am directed to enclose here with a copy of the petition that is so and so, along with this enclosure submitted by so and so, which will speak for itself, and to request you kindly to take necessary action on the matter as per existing rules and procedure. This was, my lord, followed by page 23. Your lordship will find the additional deputy commissioner writes to the circle officer. And the list of persons.
Where is the de-reservation of that land, village grazing land, VGR land? You can't de-reserve, you can't make settlements in terms of that Supreme Court decision.
True, my lord.
Then?
But then, my lord, that was the reservation was sanctioned as far back as in, my lord, 1971.
What is the stand of the state here?
States, my lord, there are two affidavits filed. And it's very vague, my lord. In fact, one circle officer has filed an affidavit on behalf of the deputy commissioner.
When did they file that affidavit?
There are two affidavits, my lord. One affidavit is dated 16/2/2024.
15/2.
16th February.
16/2,
It starts at page 38.
Where is the other one?
Other one, my lord. That is also by the, my lord, circle.
Here the stand is VGR land cannot be allotted.
Yes.
Literally. In that 16/2/24 affidavit. Which is the second affidavit?
Second affidavit is, my lord, that your lordship finds at page 83.
I'm not having it. That's the problem.
Page 83.
This is by?
Circle
Dated?
officer again, my lord.
Dated?
Circle officer again,
Dated?
my lord. This is the
5/9/24, my lord.
5/9/2024.
In the same writ petition,
In the same petition, my lord.
3550.
No, the other is, my lord, in the other petition, 7030.
7370.
Okay.
But my lord, so far as my writ petition is concerned, that affidavit is on file on behalf of the, my lord, deputy commissioner.
Huh. But the stand taken is it's VGR land, it cannot
Yes,
be.
my lord.
But they don't say anything about the re-reservation.
They, my lord, they're avoiding it.
Yes,
Page 85, my lord. And so far as the petitioner is concerned, that lease has been prepared by the, my lord, Moja, that has been forwarded, that is also annexed to my petition.
page.
Page 85,
Affidavit of the respondent number,
circle official. Three,
para.
para 6, fourth para, my lord. It may be further mentioned here that no formalities and procedure for converting the reservation of the VGR land and subsequent reservation of the other government land as per Assam Land Revenue Regulation 86 in respect of Hugubari grazing reserve has been done.
Okay, why this second case has come up? Because in addition to 59, another 32 had come in. So now the dispute is between you. Who
Yes.
are the original
My lord, they're
15?
trying to create a dispute, but my lord, that has already been, my lord, recorded by the Moja.
But Mr. Chaudhary,
My lord.
how can we come in your favor when there is already a, and there is a definite procedure for de-reservation of a VGR land?
My lord.
There has to be a notification,
Land
everything.
policy is also very
Nothing has
clear.
been done. yet.
No, my lord, the sanction was awarded. in
Sanction may be, but the
1971.
follow-up has not been done, then the Supreme Court decision. Because it
Perfect.
maintains the character of a VGR land.
Yes, my lord.
Till today.
That is no dispute, there is no dispute.
So that decision of the Supreme Court, I forgot what
Jagpal Singh.
Jaspal
Jagpal Singh.
clearly says. you
Yes, my
cannot.
lord. But then, my lord, this is done much prior to it, my lord. That is in
But
1970.
where is that notification, bringing it into a conclusion? Because the land, although there was a direction, but the land continued as a VGR land.
That's why, my lord, they have to produce the record and satisfy a lordship that we did not act upon, my lord. Now we cannot.
Yes.
Petitioner cannot
Well,
ask for, my
one
lord.
moment, land policy, if your lordship come to the land policy also,
Hmm.
it's very much
She
clear.
cannot subsequently.
Can I read
Forget
that?
the land policy. Mr. Chaudhary's trump card is page 20.
And that is not disputed, my lord.
Please come on. Page 20.
So what
Hello?
did you do after this?
Anyway, it's an admitted fact, the land is a VGR land, my lord.
Forget the,
Right.
but what did you do? Was there a review of this decision, page 20, at any point of time?
That is not clear in my opinion.
Get that instruction. What steps were taken after this communication dated 21/3/1967? And this is not a letter of the government, it's just an extract of the letter of the government.
Yes, my lord, but they are not disputing it, my lord.
What is this? Where is that government letter? Government letter number PG, PSG 18673. This is only an extract. Yes, Mr. Mahmood, what is your story?
First thing, my lord,
Here it is,
petition number
20.
there is some misrepresentation of fact.
First page.
There is misleading. Because the parties are filing since long back. But when they filed this petition, that is 3550, they did not make us party. But there were so many cases earlier where both the parties were there
Together.
together. And 145 CRPC proceeding was also there. In that case, they were the second party, we were the first party. And the landed district of Borpeta declared our possession in respect of 106 acres of
That
land.
is a, that is of 145 position per
Yes.
thing,
After the allotment. Well, there is a
No
allotment.
allotment. Allotment has not been-
where is your allotment order?
Yes, I allotment, I have also. allotment. Because the
Allotment
government
orders,
has
Mr.
no-
Chaudhary, are there any allotment orders?
No,
Yes, I have.
there is no allotment.
That
Where is
that-
the allotment
that
order?
is there. Page 29,
In your writ petition?
yes, in my petition. That is WBC number 7378. I am directed to say that the government of Assam is pleased to grant allotment up to 1 bigha per family to 32 deserving river eroded families for house estate purpose and land in sieve for agricultural purpose by these 32 families may be allowed along with 59 original allottees. This 59 is there, they are this 59 and we are this 32. So both of these parcels are clubbed together.
So this is on the VGR land. Allotment is made within that 240 bighas of VGR land.
Yeah.
Now show me.
That is actually,
Now show me. Okay, we accept that you are similarly situated like Mr. Chaudhary also. Let us accept. Now you come to page 31.
that you are, yes.
Or 32 would be better. 32 would be better. Where is this original copy of this? This is only an extract. Original copy of this and also the steps taken thereafter.
This is the result.
Hmm?
Yeah, though there is no seal and number,
No, what steps has it been notified that it has been de-reserved? There has to be a notification.
our prayer was that as you, the government has allotted this plot of land, so they should issue patta in our name. But
No
in-
pattas have been issued.
There are
Patta cannot be
communication-
issued
No, there are.
because
communications
by
related
this
patta.
time,
Let me submit, there are communication, interdepartmental communication that patta should be allotted in our name. But ultimately it was not allotted. So it is the departmental fault or the bureaucratic delay for that parties should not suffer. That is the Supreme Court says that. If there is bureaucratic delay.
Supreme Court also says that VGR land should not be allotted.
No, at that time, my lord, that was perhaps this 2019.
That is what I want.
policy.
What did they do after that? They'll have to do some
2019
action.
land policy was not there at that time.
Okay, I'm not on the land policy. I'm back on that day when that letter was issued.
And at
After
time,
that
there
letter was
no
issued,
gazette
what was the
notification.
follow-up steps taken?
Let me submit. There is no gazette notification VGR land. These are the calconic, these are this imaginary thing.
Okay.
Yes, there is no gazette notification that this plot of lands of.
Was it
No,
recorded in the land records as a VGR?
There is no such record we have found.
No, but have you said that this is never was a VGR land?
No, we did, you are not saying that.
Then what was the use of this de-reservation then? If it was not a VGR land, why was it de-reserved?
Reservation and de-reservation, well, it should be official gazette, it should be published. But in official gazette. we have-
Mr.
Malad,
Das, you get me?
no,
The-
Malad, it is
Our
clearly stated
It's very simple.
in
man.
our affidavit also, Malad.
One-
It is
one
further submitted, no formal order for issuance of pattas to the encroacher has been received
Forget it,
from higher authority.
forget it. That
Look,
is different.
They are saying that.
Now tell me, we are on the de-reservation of 1967.
Yes, ma'am.
67,
Someplace it is 61.
67. Letter is, government letter is 67. Now, get me the background of this.
Well, my affidavit is also stated that no formalities or procedure over converting or de-reserving.
Why? I want to know why. Why you did not do it? If the government has de-reserved, why did you not follow it up? There has to be some reason. There has to be some reason. 59 plus 32 waiting.
Yes, my lord, it is their allegations. In the
I
writ
only
petition-
want this clarification. You have not dealt with 31. Page
Oh, I'll-
31 you have not dealt with.
I'll come with that.
Mr. Chaudhary's case, page 20, you have not dealt with.
Yes, yes.
And my lord, this village grazing reserve is about, my lord, 800 bighas.
240 from there was carved out. So it is a village grazing
ma'am.
reserve. You have agreed to that.
Yes.
where Mr. Mahmood
Yes.
disputes.
Grazing reserve was, it is said like that, but it has been allotted in our names.
Fine, there was a
Consider that
de-reservation.
we are landless people, land eroded.
Mr. Chaudhary, what is the process? After the government approves, what is the process?
After the, my lord, government approves the, my lord, de-reservation, it has to be published in the Gazette, my lord.
Gazette notifications,
Yes,
whether
my lord.
objections have to be invited at that
No,
point
my
of.
lord, the grazing reserve, the objection is not required
Not
to be
required.
invited, my lord.
Hmm.
And thereafter, my lord, the deputy commissioner issues the patta
Hmm.
after making inquiry.
So your stage is stuck at that
At that stage.
de-reservation.
And my lord, although there is a communication, my learned friend, Mr. Mahmood has shown, my lord, that allotment, my lord, we have never been issued with any allotment order. That is our.
Your 59 never issued, but that letter says 59 plus 30.
32.
Heard Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, oh, दोनों एक साथ माना, M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, and Mr. M.U. Mahmood, learned counsel, appearing for their respective petitions. Also, Mr. N. Das, learned government advocate, submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time.
Well,
to-
can it be 4 weeks? They have
No, no.
waited for so much time.
These people, poor people are, you
At least
either
3
they get us sitting there or they go. We'll have to finalize.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, 3 weeks time to bring, to apprise this court as to the necessity for the district, for the jurisdictional deputy commissioner, Kamrup, to approach the government
Kolkata.
authorities for de-reservation of the Garzub Reserve, Garzubg Reserve. Full stop. He shall also place before this court the original copy of the communication dated 21/3/1967 received from the government of Assam by the deputy commissioner in response to the said proposal submitted by the deputy commissioner. Push-up. He shall also apprise this court about the steps taken after the issuance of the said communication dated 21/3/1967 by the government in the matter. Push-up. Raised it to discuss matters, again on when? 2 weeks. 4/11/8/2023 for admissions.
Obliged.
Eleven eight.
11/8.
Lordship, item number 21, Lordship, I'm going to file affidavit today, Your Lordship. Appearing for Water Resource Department. Lordship, may I pray, matter may be taken up from other day along with the affidavit, Your Lordship.
Our Miadi land has been taken over by you without any, that's the allegation.
Your
And
Lordship,
this allegation is there for a long time now. You have not even responded. When are you filing the affidavit?
today, Your Lordship.
Today? Okay. Let up. Ms. R. Deka, Learned, Standing Counsel, Water Resources Department submits that an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by her would be filed during the course of the day. Also, you have received a copy? No.
No, ma'am.
Also, accordingly, raised to list this matter again after 4 weeks. Also, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner is at liberty to bring on record a rejoinder to the affidavit being filed by the respondents in the matter before the next day. Right?
Obliged.
4 weeks, bola na?
My lord. Actually, I have not received the copy, my lord. Though last order, my lord, there is a direction, my lord.
Copy not given?
No, lord.
My lord, I have filed the affidavit, my lord, during the entire matters, because director has modified the impugn order that was.
No, you have not given a copy to her.
No, you have given them.
When? Show me.
Well, I have received the copy, my lord, filed by the petitioner, my lord, but the director has filed an affidavit, my lord.
When?
That, my lord, last order, my lord, has reflected.
Okay. So that copy has not been
Not,
given.
not received. So, my lord, I pursued my lord. But
Who has filed that affidavit?
the director, my lord, on behalf of
Government file the affidavit.
No, no,
long back.
which is the, who is the counsel?
Ms. Bhattacharjee,
Ms. Bachcha, Mr. Bachcha, you have Ms. Bachcha, or MS Bachcha.
Ms. Bhattacharjee.
Give him a copy. Why are you not? It is submitted by the Learned Council for the petition that the copy of the affidavit filed by the Director of Social Welfare. So it's not social welfare now, Director, Women and Child Welfare.
Yes,
Well,
yes.
Development. Women and Child Welfare.
Yes, man.
Women and Child
Development.
Development has not been served upon him. Also, this court had while ordered it with 11/6/2025 required the concern required the council representing the director of child and women and child development Assam to furnish a copy of the said affidavit to the Learned Council for the. You are the counsel for respondent number or you are the petitioner?
Yes, respondent number 5 in my petition, my lord. And their file is separate.
Fozia Tapasum is it?
Yes,
Yes,
Learned Council representing the respondent number 5 in WPC number 2162/2024. Also, who is appearing, Ms. Das? Mr. You are appearing? Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Council, Learned Government Advocate submits that a copy of the said affidavit would be furnished to the Learned Council for the petitioner by 22/7/2025. Raised it to list this matter again on 30 book, isn't it? Huh? 1/8/2025. We'll see on the next.
obliged.
The respondent number, Learned Council for the respondent number 5 is at liberty to file his response to rejoinder to such rejoinder oblique additional affidavit to such affidavit filed by the Director, Child and Women Development. Yes, Mr. Dhar.
Here my affidavit is sent for rating, my lord. Already I have got the information. There will be some correction in my affidavit. Not till post it next Monday, well, by Friday, I will put it on paper.
The construction is
Already completed. And some
And-
third-party interest and told that some third-party interest
has
will
also come in.
also created.
Not only that, my lord, new planning permit has been applied. They have got the new planning permit. As per the new planning permit, the construction will happen.
Like
Because
that,
there is a
Mean to say-
modification of that particular.
That the allegations herein by virtue of the new zoning plan that has come in has been done away with.
No, thereafter they applied. Some application was made, according to the master plan, that change has been done. And that new planning permit is get, thereafter.
What about the grievance of the petitioner?
My lord, that I will put in on affidavit. That is the instruction I have sent, my lord. I'll let that affidavit come, my lord.
Who is appearing for the private respondents? Yes, you have filed an affidavit.
except GMD and nobody has filed.
GMB have filed.
We'll give them a last chance. Yes, madam, your name? SK? MSK Bhoral. Okay. Heard Mr. Ed, Learned Council for the petition. Also heard Mr. S. Bora, Learned Standing Council, GMDA and GMC. And Ms. K. Bharali, Learned Council, representing the respondent number 3, 4, and 5. Also, Mr. S. Bora as well as Ms. K. Bharali has prayed that they be granted a last chance to file, to bring on record their stand by way of filing an affidavit. Also, prayer accepted. The respondents number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are accordingly, the respondents are granted for 2 weeks' time to bring on record their stand by way of filing an affidavit as a last chance. Also, in the event the affidavit is not so filed, this court would proceed to consider the issues arising in the present writ petition basing on the materials already available.
Let's fix a date.
But 2 weeks, you make a mention.
Apply.
Mr.
Sir, it's
Gogoi,
lying with the central government. We prepared the draft notes.
Hmm.
As per the act, my lord, we have to forward it to the central government. Lord Sumesh Simar is lying with that. Once submitted, they sought for certain my lord changes. It has been done, my lord, modified, and now my lord on 11/7 it has been forwarded back, my lord. It's some time, my lord.
who is appearing for the central government?
Central government is not a party as well.
Central government is a party here, man.
Central government, not really,
No.
because central government has already given its policies.
And where is the requirement that the draft rules have to be approved by the central government?
My
I
lord,
mean,
it is
central
there,
government and state government both has power.
They have their own jurisdictions.
They have their rules.
my lord. No, it had to be submitted, my lord.
Where do I get it? Under the mental health care?
Yes, ma'am, it's in the act.
Mental health.
Mental Health Care Act 2017.
2008.
120.
Mr. Busho, you are appearing for?
Restaurant number 5. I go.
121 of the section.
121, 122.
Section 102.
121 section 2.
Oh, you are appearing for the High Court. 121?
Section 2.
Subsection.
Okay, okay. Okay. Mr. B. Gogoi, heard
Well, one council is there, otherwise of the central government, at least he can have.
that I have already thought. Heard Ms. A. Soikia, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, learned additional senior government, additional advocate general, appearing for the state respondents, and Mr. G. Busho, learned standing counsel, Guwahati High Court. Also, Mr. Gogoi has submitted that in terms of the provisions of section 121 of the Mental Health Care Act 2017, the government, after formulation of the Mental Health Care bracket Assam State Mental Health Authority bracket over rules, has forwarded the same to the central government for its approval. Also, although the central government is not a party respondent in the present proceedings, this court requests Mr. S. Roy, learned CGC, to receive instructions from the secretary to the government of Assam, to the secretary from the
Government of India.
Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, with regard to the status of processing of the rules formulated by the state and placed before the central government for grant of approval to it. Also, Mr. Roy shall on the next date of listing apprise this court about the said aspect of the matter. Registry to reflect the name of Mr. S. Roy in the cause list on the next date of listing. Also, registry to list this matter. 2 weeks will be enough. This is a very important act. It should be implemented immediately. Registry to list this matter again on site 4/8/2025.
It's slightly difficult.
Then when?
Okay. Any day after.
6/6/8/8/8/8/20. Madam, in this case, you need not be here. This is something we should take it up.
And one more small submission.
Hmm.
The Mental Health Act and various other acts have come after 2007. The High Court code needs to be updated, which is 2007. So
Let
all
us
of you
go.
have to work together.
This court is still not that new chip. So this is that 786 old one. So we'll go step by step.
Oh. Much obliged.
Yes.
In this case, the respondent number five file an additional affidavit, but that was not served to us.
Not sir. I will give you.
13-6. Your name? H.A. Mr. H.A. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that a copy of the additional affidavit filed by the respondent number 5 on 13/6/2025 has not been furnished to him. Who is appearing? You. Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Counsel representing the respondent number 5 submits that a copy of the said affidavit would be served upon the Learned Counsel for the petitioner during the course of the day. Mr. You have something to say?
I'm appearing on behalf of 1, 2, 3, United Diesel.
Yeah, fine.
We have a filed affidavit, but due to interim order, it's in force. It is we are able to go for construction. This particular route. There's a little bit urgency.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall file his response to the additional affidavit filed by the respondent number 5 on or before 28/7/2025. Also, Mr. C. Borua, Learned Standing Counsel, NHIDCL submits that there is urgency in the matter and accordingly prays that the matter be taken up for final consideration. Also, accordingly, as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 11/8/2025 for admission here.
Interim is there.
Interim is interim order, if any, to continue till the next date of this.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, the matter pertains to the blanket banning and freezing of my bank account. Lordship, there was a complaint which was lodged. Lordship, the bank had filed an additional affidavit. The result of the same would reveal, Lordship, that there was one complaint. Lordship, may kindly come to page 69. The additional affidavit.
69 of the
Additional affidavit. Column 22, Lordship. The 22nd transaction, Lordship. So, Lordship, this is the transaction which has been reported to be a disputed transaction. Lordship, may kindly also come to page 61, para 4. May I read the para, Lordship?
61.
Yes, Lord. May I read the para, Lordship? So, my lord, this is the complaint on which there was only one complaint. Now, Lordship, there are various judicial pronouncements of various high courts, including this Honorable High Court, which says that the lien is to be limited only to the disputed amount. In this case, Lordship, I am a salary account holder. I'm working with the state government in the finance department. I'm suffering from cancer.
You say that you have around 2 lakh plus in your account
My
and
lord,
the disputed amount is only 49,000.
my lord.
My lord, in this particular case, I am for the bank, my lord. Whatever, my lord, I have received a direction from the my lord, Wallet police station, my lord, to hold an amount is 49,000 and another is, my lord, 38,479, my lord.
Was that amount also deposited in his account?
Yes, my lord.
Where
That
is that?
statement I have annexed, but my lord, before that, my lord, when I searched that entire accounts, my lord, he is a employer, he is a account holder of our bank, my lord. Then found that apart from the two, my lord, whole amount, there is another whole amount also there. Two amount 49,000 is a.
Is there a complaint against that amount also?
Yes, my lord, that state, I have received the communication from the bank, my lord. Six whole amount is, total whole amount is now, my lord.
Have you
2
brought
lakh.
that in your affidavit?
My lord, that's not on record.
My lord, this is a subsequent one, my lord, but cyber crimes can, my lord, can they explain, my lord?
You have dealt with 49,000. Agreed.
Yeah, my lord.
But what about the others? We don't have any record.
But my lord, that can say by the cyber crimes, my lord. As because there is a two whole amount, 49,000 plus 49,000, my lord, is whole by the cyber crimes. And another one is, my lord, 49,000 is from Mumbai LHO SBI, my lord. And another is, my lord, from Tirupuram, my lord. So different, we cannot, my lord, we don't the whole.
My lord, the NCCRP, first of all, cannot issue the direction. Freezing of
Whole
bank account is
cannot be, my lord,
completely
we don't
prerogative of the.
automatically.
Rampere Gond is the man involved.
My lord,
Rampere Gond is the victim.
my lord, according to the complaint, yes,
Victim.
my lord.
And this page 65 onwards is the transaction made in your account.
No, my lord. This is the complaint that they have received that from the.
Where
From
is
the-
your account? Your account is only that.
69.
My lord, so the disputed transaction, my lord will find on page number.
So you admit that this 49 is not your
My lord will kindly come to page 50 once
50,
of my writ petition.
51.
50, my lord, 50.
Hmm.
My lord, the 13th transaction on 28th of December 2024, 49,000.
Where?
The 13th transaction, my lord.
There is no number here.
My lord, we have to count from the top. On 28th of December, lordship.
20th transaction number
13th transaction, my lord. 13.
48, 20 December 2024.
Yes, my lord.
Sri Auto.
49,000.
Sri Auto. That is 48,999.98.
No, my lord, the credit amount. So, my lord, what has happened?
Okay. Above that.
Yes, my lord.
By
my-
transfer from CPR, this is the account.
Yes, my lord, this is the disputed transaction.
So when you received this amount, had you raised any?
No, my lord. So what has happened is that my son was had played some. He did some thing on a online gaming site, and he had received this money, which he transferred to my account. So, my lord, with regard to
So
this,
there is a
transaction-
reason for the transfer.
My lord,
Maybe not
de-
you,
definitely, my lord,
then your son.
my lord.
So some
My lord-
fraud has been committed by utilizing
my
your
lord-
account.
My lord, that will be limited to the 49,000 only. That is all my case.
Mr. Das, you bring on record the subsequent amounts claimed.
My lord, my lord.
File an affidavit. We'll see. I was with you, but if this is the thing, then we'll have to be a bit more
But
stringent.
problem is, my lord, we have wrote a letter to the investigation officers, my lord.
I'm not on that. I want a particular that you have given a statement that this amount deposited in the account of the petitioner is disputed.
My lord.
I want a particulars of that in addition to 49. If it is only 49, then the lien can only be in respect of 49,
But-
not other.
That's too bad. My lord, when we only hold two amounts, my lord, as per the direction of this police station. my lord.
Then why the
Some
other amount?
Hold also there.
Huh?
The region should be known by the other cyber crime, my lord. The cyber crime department. can-
The account will be withheld by you, Miss. You are for SBI.
I am for, the accounts is with us, but
Ah.
whole is made by the some other.
The hold will be made with you. You know which are the amounts for which.
Two whole amount. One is 49,000 and 38,000 as per the court direction. and
You
the-
keep a hold on that.
But
What
in
about
this
the other?
accounts, other is my lord, two whole is done by the cyber crime department, my lord, Patna. They can know the reason, my
But
lord.
my lord, there is.
Only shows that whole is there.
You are the banker.
Yes, my lord.
How can they put a account on hold or an
It's
amount
auto
on hold
system.
without referring
No,
to
it
you?
need not to visit that branch or.
No
about, my
need,
lord.
but they'll have to give you the reason.
My lord, they can auto hold, my lord. They have a power, my lord.
Who is appearing for the
Cyber crime
investigation?
can, my lord, say. explain, my
Who? You are appearing.
New Delhi, not Patna.
NCC, I
It's
think.
saying Patna unit.
lord. With two whole
Same
by-
thing, same thing.
And two whole also, my
Madam,
lord.
you get your instruction. You're not filed an affidavit also. Get your instructions. Why the hold happen? Huh?
They are saying that they have no role in it.
They have no
Exactly,
rule.
my lord, that is what I am also trying to impress.
File an affidavit.
Madam.
Then we'll get hold of. And Mr. Das,
Madam.
if the amounts have been withheld without any reason, he has not been able to transact, this is a cost for compensation. We'll pass orders for compensation. 49, we may exclude, but for the others, we'll pass an order. Mr. Das and Ms. K. Fukan, Learned Council for the respondents, submit that they be granted 2 weeks' time to complete their instructions. In 3 weeks' time to complete their instructions and place the stand of the respondents represented by them before this court. Post op. Raised it to list. Mr. Mitra, you put it on a hold.
My lord.
Uh, 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 Raised it to list this matter again immediately after completion of 2 weeks from today.
My lord, can
3
you
weeks.
fix the date, my lord?
Let it come. 2 weeks,
My
3
lord,
weeks.
the only problem that I'm having is that this is my salary account, my lord, and I'm suffering from cancer. So at the whims and fancies, they just.
If somebody you have facilitated, allowed somebody to tinker with your account, you will also have to suffer. And say people have been frauded because
My
of
lord,
that.
my lord.
So that's why we don't have, we are keeping ourselves away from passing any interim orders. Let us get the complete details, then we will see.
My lord, may kindly fix a date, even after 3 weeks.
3 weeks we should declare, yeah. 14,
Oblige.
14 8.
Oblige you.
But yes,
We are extremely sorry, we serve the copy today itself.
so but we'll hear the matter again. I'm vacating the interim. You should not have done this.
Some.
Why are you acting smart? You should not have done this. There is a clear-cut direction. Upon X, the copy, you have not some, there might be some other institute. We'll draw adverse.
Just.
You're a very young counsel. Why are you resorting to such practices?
Policy for that one.
The Learned Council representing the State Bank of India responded, submit that a copy of the writ petition has not been served upon her in spite of clear directions from this court, in spite of clear directions being passed by this court wide order dated 25/6/2025. So, Mr. Your name?
R.H. Chaudhary.
R.H. Chaudhary, Learned Council for the petitioner submits that inadvertently they said a copy of the writ petition was furnished to a different council. So he undertakes to furnish a copy of the said of the writ petition to the Learned Council for the to Miss S. Day, Learned Council representing Mr. K. Nandi, Learned Standing Council, SBI during the course of the day. Also.
We have served it today itself.
Yep. Also raised it to list this matter again on 11/8/2025. Full stop. It is clarified that this court had not stayed the process of demarcation of the property of the land in question. And what was stayed was, and this court had only directed that the petitioner shall not be disposed from the land in his possession. Full stop. Accordingly, the respondents are at liberty to proceed to take the process of demarcation to its logical conclusion. Full stop. However, the petitioner shall not be dispossessed from the land in his possession till the next date of listing. Petitioners of till the next date of listing. Registered to list question.
I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 7.
Mr. R. Dubey.
My submission that they have not demarcated not that.
That's fine. I've already done it.
Otherwise, there's no instruction from anyone. I am
Okay.
taking on.
Mr. Upadlikas, Mr. R. Dubey, learned counsel for the representing the respondent number 7 submits that in spite of directions from this court to proceed to the authorities to proceed with the demarcation process, no steps have been taken in the matter by the respondents. Who's up? Pasha, they can take it.
Regarding the instruction amount, look against the fifth edition of the Kaziranga National Park, land was acquisition 2 bighas, 4 kathas, 14 lessons. Para 4. They have filed their affidavit also, Malay.
Okay.
So according to them, my lord,
Do one thing. How many co-patadas are there?
one
One more.
more.
So 50-50,
Yes, Lordship.
50%.
Here, the Lordship, that paragraph 4, Lordship.
Hmm.
That's a confirmation of the missing co-patada yet to be done.
Now, say there is 100 rupees. He will get 50, the co-patadar will get another 50. That is the thing. So that's why this court said, release 50%, that's all. What is, if the missing one comes, whenever he comes, he will take the 50%. But his share, he should get it. Or,
Let me brought it this by way of affidavit.
Mr. I'll give you only a date on that day you will have to file. Mr. S.S. Roy, learned counsel for the respondents, submits that he has received his instructions in the matter and would file an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him on or before 4/8/2020. Registered to list this matter again on 8/8/2020. You take that communication.
No.
Any urgent matter wherein interim orders have to be, because we have a meeting at 4:45. So we'll have to,
Item 6, your Lordship has fixed on 11th. Can it be on 13th, my lord?
no problem. 30. Tell the others also.
Yes, my friend is there.
31 of
31.
therefore tomorrow.
What is this matter?
The IOFL option, shifting of IOFL option.
But that
Yes.
wind
and
up.
Here the issue is that the order which they're relying
Okay,
on.
we'll have it. There is nothing urgent here. Any urgent matter?
My lord, item 35, my lord.
Hmm.
In this case also, they have, the bank hold my account, my lord, with a intimation of a inspector from the different state. They have
Registrate, this is IDBI. Who is appearing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, why have you?
We got an instruction from Andhra Pradesh Police.
Who is representing Andhra Pradesh Police?
My lord, notice.
Have you
has
made
been
a,
issued,
made
my
a,
lord. Notice has been.
have you made him a party?
Yes, my lord.
Notice was served.
Yes, it is not served, my lord.
Hmm.
But today is fixed for consideration of interim order, my lord.
35.
You have tried out a level wise unit to contact the person, but that person never responded of our calls. And never actually.
Page
brief
number
us
18, my
on
lord,
what
is
ground
the
they have.
intimation. Page number 19, my lord.
So, due to paucity of time, the matter could not be taken up. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 28/7/2025. So, interim order
Not yet passed, my lord.
shall be considered. That's what I'm saying. On the next date of list.
I'll apply.
36 and date may be fixed. There's a small matter. It's any date on first week.
What is that?
36.
As prayed for by the Land Council for the as prayed for by the Land report as prayed for by good. Yeah, positive. As prayed for by the Land Council for the parties registry to list this matter again on 6. 6 would be there is much matters. 11 is
11.
Baki ki nahi?
Yes, item 38.
Ah.
Urgent matter, Lordship.
Urgent, what is the urgency?
Urgency is that, Lordship, my entire salary has been credited to the loan account, Lordship, and my account has been placed under.
What is the loan, what is the amount required to be deposited by you?
Lordship, loan total amount is, Lordship, 17 lakhs, Lordship.
As prayed for by the Land Council for the parties registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date 2 weeks.
My planet is.
I'll obtain instruction.
You obtained.
My name may kindly be.
That's the name of Mr. PK Sen, list after 2 weeks, huh? By reflecting the name of Mr. PK Sen, Land Council for the respondents in the cost. Cost list. Yes, Ms. Chaudhary, what is it? Huh? Day after tomorrow, we have fixed many matters, so. When did I give you? Monday? Oh, okay, 30?
31.
As agreed to by the Land Council for the parties registry to list this matter again on 28. 28 or what have we seen? 29? 30? 30? 30. Parigone? Yes. What is the,
She had thought the direction in terms of the MTP, but by the time she was here, the time period had already passed by 28 weeks. So there are 2 judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court.
we'll have it on Thursday.
Yes.
As agreed to by the Land Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again on Thursday. Can just give a reference of that judgments to her, so I can also come prepared.
Already there.
In their file. Okay, fine.
Fine.
That's if possible, can it be on the Friday, if possible?
I had a word with Mr. Buddha.
Then Friday.
Right.
Yeah, okay. 20, fine. Yes, Mr. Gupta.
41. The matter, my lord, where termination about home guard, my lord, they have been terminated without following due process.
Is it tied up with me?
Yes, my lord. Yes, item 40. My lord, affidavit was directed to be filed by 17 on or
No,
before.
is this matter tied up with me?
Not
no.
tied up, my lord.
Then it's not a bench file matter.
My lord has, I think.
So, what do you want to?
My lord has
Bench three
indicated that
matter.
it will come to this bench only.
As agreed to by, as agreed to by the Land Council for the parties, registered to list this matters again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed before the concerned bench taking up bench 3. Concerned bench.
So can it be after 1 week? 3 weeks, my lord, there is termination, my lord, they are supposed.
1 week.
1 week. Okay.
बाकी 2-3 चीज Due to paucity of time, matter will not be taken up. Raised to rules this matter after. Begulna sir, automatic.